Good morning, it's Booney and Catch. You want to introduce us? You're Catch and I'll be Booney. You want to be Catch today and I'll be Booney today? We can't do it. You don't want to do that. Do you want to introduce me? This is Booney. This is Booney, my favorite sidekick.
Mason.
I'm not Mason. I'm Kay. Where am I? Where am I on here?
The whole wide world.
Who am I? No, for real this time. Who am I?
This is Catch. She is my most favorite person in the whole wide world.
Yay! And this is Booney, my favorite sidekick. Are you ready to see how much fun we can have today?
This is Catch. She is my most favorite
You can
person
just keep
in the
saying
whole
that.
wide world.
That's good. You ready? All right, so we are going to attempt, we've never done this before,
This is Catch.
to make,
She is my most favorite person.
we're
in
gonna
the whole
plant
wide
cactuses,
world.
but not the kind with like the spines that'll like prick us. We're gonna use rocks, we're gonna paint them green, and we're gonna hot glue them into this little mug and create a little cactus garden.
This is Catch. She
that
is
sound
my
fun?
most favorite person in the whole wide world.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, so what we did, this is from We Heart It on Pinterest. So we love Pinterest, don't we? We're big Pinterest fans. We love all those fun ideas. Yeah. So a cactus garden today, we cleaned our rocks. We're using just these smooth rocks. We purchased at the Dollar Tree or something. We cleaned them with alcohol. We're going to paint them with several different shades of green paint. We just have a mug that we filled with some foam, like floral foam, and we will use a hot glue gun to hot glue the rocks in once we're finished, and some decorative stones to decorate it. And then afterward we'll spray all of it with our favorite Shortcuts gloss spray. You ready? Are we ready? Here we go. Okay. He's talking about Mariana and me and Giggle Box. Mariana and Natalia. I'm going to paint your nose first. How about that? I'm going to paint your nose. Okay. Zoom in on his face, he's laughing. Got any jokes? Any jokes? He was laughing. I know.
Compliments.
It's like a brush.
You make me smile.
Ah, that's so nice. I need to pick it up because I need the top of it.
You are so smart.
Oh,
Your
you're
hair
so
looks nice.
kind. Oh, thank you.
You are so joyful.
Mm-hmm.
You are so joyful. You look sharp, man. You look pretty.
This is so nice. I'm
You
gonna
have
come-
eyelashes almost as long as mine. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. Knows. I knows plenty more knock jokes. Go.
All right, we're going to take our hot glue gun without flowers, the one without the flowers, for you. And we're gonna hot glue, I think, some of these rocks. Let's just try it really quickly first. Let's see. Let's do a few at a time. Is that good? Uh-oh. Got big blobs. Oh, what's taking so long? Uh-oh. I don't want to be the messy crafter. We don't want to be the messy crafters. You blowing kisses to Emily. Hey, Emily. They're gonna be like, who's in the room? Who's he blowing kisses to? Oh, I guess it needs to heat up a minute. Okay. We have all of our rocks painted. They have gloss on them, and now we're going to take this, just a little chalk marker, and we're probably gonna have to seal it again, but we're gonna paint the spines on the cactus. Here we go. Isn't this cool?
Pencil. Your pants
You're telling me
down when you
jokes.
wear them so long.
We need a
What do you
cactus
call an
joke,
alligator in the vest?
don't we? We need to add some
An
cactus jokes.
investigator.
Ready? We're gonna attempt to put these cute little cactuses in here. Let's see. Look, you gonna help me? I'm gonna put this one right in the front, like right there. Yep. It's okay. I'm friendly. I don't bite. Only on Thursdays, actually. What's today? Oh, today's Thursday. I might get the biter. Not really. We're back! We're back and we're all finished our cactus garden. But I brought you a balloon today. It says, you're number one. Because you're number one. You're awesome. And I love you. You're my number one sidekick. What do you think? You like it? I'll put it on your chair. I'm going to put it on your chair. I'm going to put it right here so you can look at it. Yeah. Let's put it here. And then we'll show our friends our cactus garden. What do you think? I'll tie it in a bow. So that way when you have to go somewhere, you can get it up. Or you just want it there because you want everybody to know you're number one. All right, so here it is. You don't even have to water it. You don't have to put it in the sun. You can put it anywhere you want. It turned out really cute. Do you like it? What do you think? All right, we will put all of the everything that we used in the description at the end of our video. We clear coated everything when we were finished with this little Shortcuts gloss that we get from our favorite place, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, we love you, Hobby Lobby. And the paint on the little cactus, we used just a chalk pen. And that's it. And so we will see you friends, hopefully very soon, another day when we find out how much fun we can have. Say bye. See ya.